In the ready meals industry, every portion, package and process needs to be accurate, efficient and reliable. That's why leading manufacturers turn to OFI. Every OFI system starts with 3D design and is custom built to your exact specifications. Manufactured in Australia using premium European components, your system is built to perform and built to last.
From checkweighers and metal detection to X-ray inspection,
Our solutions ensure every product that leaves your facility meets the highest standards of quality and compliance. Real-time production data gives managers the visibility to track performance, optimise throughput and make fast, informed decisions. Operators log into their own terminals so you can monitor productivity, maintain accountability and streamline staffing. With precision portion control, you reduce giveaway, protect margins and maintain consistency across every batch. Our systems are accredited by the Australian National Measurement Institute, giving you confidence that every result is accurate and every product is compliant.
our checkweighers are AQS compliant and exceed the BRC supermarket specification for reject verification.
When your line runs faster and smarter, you increase output, reduce waste and deliver the quality your customers expect every time. OFI, custom inspection and weighing solutions for the ready meals industry. Made in Australia, designed for performance.